Let's work on some mixture problems today. Why do we learn about mixture problems? Because these things happen in life all the time. So let's work with one problem. Let's say you are a candy store owner and you have chocolate candies which, if you sell by themselves, they are $3.50 each per pound. Okay, and you also sell sour candies. Now remember, sour candies are much cheaper, so they sell for 70 cents a pound. Now what you want to do is you want to make a combination of these two and sell it for $2.50 per pound, because people wouldn't spend, obviously we'll sell 70 cents a pound, but $3.50, which seems too much, and people want a mixture of both of these things. So you want to find a mixture of sour candies and chocolates which will sell for $2.50, and you have 70 pounds of candies. So how the question is, how much of chocolate and how many sour candies should we put into the packet so that we get a happy balance and make a profit too? Okay, so this is our question. So the first thing we begin with is this is our solution. But to start this problem, what you begin with is, let's take the variable x, and this will be chocolate candies, and let y be sour candies. Okay. Now what do we know about them? That x plus y, that means the amount of sour candy plus chocolate candy is how much? 70 pounds, right? You've just created equation 1. What do we also know? That if I multiply the value, that's $3.50 per pound, times the amount, that's the amount. This gives you the value of this is the value of chocolate candies, right? As a whole, not only, it could be 1 pound, 10 pounds. And what is the value for sour candies? It's 0.70y. And what is the total value of this? It's 70 pounds times 250. This is what I really want. And this is equation 2. So now we have two equations. So let me just write them. X plus y equals 70. And 3.5x plus 0.7y equals 70 times 250. Now that we've two equations, we can solve them just like we solved a system of inequalities. So let's take, we can do the elimination or substitution. Let's try the substitution method. You are free to choose any method. It's absolutely fine. You'll get the same answer. So from equation 1, you get x equals 70 minus y, right? Now you put this in equation 2. And what do you get? Instead of x in equation 2, I am replacing it with 70 minus y. That will give us the same equation. Where did I get 175 from? I multiplied 70 times 250. Once I get this and I distribute 3.5 times this and this times this, and then we just do some basic algebra. So let's try and do this. We've got one equation. Why is this equation easy to solve? Because we have one variable. Remember, our whole objective is to get everything to one variable. So I subtract 245 on both sides, and then I subtract, and what do I get? I get a 0 here. Then I subtract these two from these two numbers, and I get 2.8y. And when I subtract these two, what do I get? I get a negative number. Why do I get a negative number? because it is the minus 245 is a bigger number. Now, in order to get y, what do? I divide both sides by negative 2.8. When you divide negative by negative, you get a positive answer. So you get 70 divided by 2.8. What kind of number is that? How do you do that? You can put it on your calculator, you can do regular math, and what amount will you get here? So do the math, and you will find that y equals 25. So you have y as 25 pounds, and in order to find x, I know the total is 70. So 70 minus 25 is equals to x, which is 45 pounds. So that's your answer. You get 45 pounds of chocolate and 25 pounds of sour candy, and you can make a happy mixture of 70 pounds, which will sell for $2.50. Goodbye.